Hi, I'm here with Muscosky, Product Line Manager for HCIS, and we're going to talk about Digital Breast Tomosynthesis, which you participated on a panel on at SIIM 2015. Could you explain why SIIM felt the need to host this panel this year? Because I know they did one in 2014, and they wanted to do another one this year.
Yeah, so as digital breast tomosynthesis has matured over the past few years, the intention of this year's session was really to cover some of the challenges that have been experienced and then how the various different vendors have actually solved them through implementation and experience as opposed to what could be done. And Carestream, being one of the first vendors to embrace digital breast tomosynthesis through a release of our product, we certainly wanted to share our experiences, but also pass on some of the challenges that we faced and how we came across with them.
Right. So on this year's panel, what were the main topics that were discussed?
I think from the vendor panel, the most important ones, or the ones that we're focused on, were interoperability, and also the importance of the evolution of the IAG standard to involve digital breast tomosynthesis. So that includes not only using a standardized data format as opposed to a proprietary data format, not only for storage but also for the transmission of data between different facilities. But then also the importance of the ability to be able to view those images very quickly, which means not duplicating the data, but also providing a very standardized set of tools that can be used no matter where the user is at to view that data.
Okay. And then also there were a number of audience members who were asking a variety of questions as well. What do you think moving forward in DBT will be some of the bigger pain points and challenges that they may be addressing, as well as their biggest opportunities?
So I think in general, as far as reaction to the audience, it was good to see that there's a lot more people in the audience that were looking to move to tomosynthesis, which shows that the technology is further being embraced. But also a lot of the questions were more strategic rather than what do I do? It was more like how do I deal with reimbursement or lack of it? What do I do to resolve some of the performance issues that I've been seeing, or how do I get around the performance challenges? So I think what they've learned, hopefully through the session, is some of the challenges that other facilities have faced and how to properly plan and how to get around those so when they go through their implementation, they don't have to face the same challenges.
Mm-hmm. And do you have any predictions, say if SIIM was to host another DBT panel in 2016, do you have any predictions on what the focus would be?
I think the focus will probably further be on interoperability. And then also probably more into performance areas and how to get around those challenges. I think as more people start to implement, they'll probably see some of the same things that others have seen, but hopefully it won't be as painful for them because they'll certainly have the information they need to be able to know how to solve those.
All right. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to talk with me today.
Thank you.